Adding users in GoHighLevel allows you to manage team members or clients within your agency or business account. Here's how to add the user in GoHighLevel. Log into GoHighLevel. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the settings section from the left-hand sidebar. Go to Users. In the company settings, click on Users under the Team Management section. Add new user. In the Users section, click the plus Add new user button to create a new user. Enter user details. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter the new user's details, including name, email, role. Set permissions. Assign specific permissions based on the user's role. For example, you can allow access to certain sections like contacts, workflows, campaigns, or settings. Send invitation. Once the details and permissions are set, click Save. An invitation will be sent to the user's email with instructions to set their password and login. User access. After accepting the invitation, the new user will be able to log in and access the tools based on the permissions you assigned.